Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, we'll turn this simple data into a clean, automatic Gantt chart in Excel. Any changes you make to task durations will instantly update the dates, adjust the Gantt chart bars, and recalculate the total project duration automatically. Make sure to watch the video till the end. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. As you can see, we already have the basic text like start date, end date, and duration. Along with that, we have a task list and headers for start date, end date column, and a duration column filled with sample numbers, which we'll use to calculate the dates dynamically. First, I'll set the start date of the first task to 21st December 2025. This will serve as the starting point for the entire project. To calculate the end date for the first task, select the corresponding cell and enter the formula is equal to choose start date, then type plus, and choose duration days. Press enter. The end date automatically calculates as 23rd December 2025. Next, to set the start date for the second task, select this cell and type is equal to, choose the cell containing end date of first task, then type plus 1. Press enter. Since the first task ends on 23rd, the second task will automatically starts on 24th, making it dynamic. Use the autofill handle to copy the formula downward. Then select fill without formatting to keep the existing formatting intact. Repeat the same steps for the end date column by dragging the autofill handle downward and choosing fill without formatting. Now select this cell to fetch the start date. Type equal and select the cell containing the first task start date, then press enter. Similarly, select this cell for the end date, type equal, and choose the cell containing the last task end date, and hit enter. To calculate the total duration, select this cell. Type equal. Choose the project end date cell. Then subtract the project start date. And press enter. The duration appears as 41. To display it as 41 days, open number formatting. Choose more number formats. Select custom. Type 0, add a space. Then type days inside double quotes. And click OK. The duration now appears as 41 days instead of just number. Next, we will create the project calendar. Select this cell. Type equal. And choose the project start date. Press enter. In the next cell, type equal. And select the previous date. Type +1. And press enter to generate the next day. Use the autofill handle to drag the formula to the right and populate all calendar dates. Then choose fill without formatting. If the dates are not fully visible, select the entire calendar range. Go to Alignment, open Orientation, and choose Rotate Text Up. After that, adjust the column width evenly by double-clicking at the edge of selected column. Now let's build the Gantt layout. Select this cell under the first calendar date, type equal, then type if and press the tab key to open the parenthesis. Type and press the tab key again to open the parenthesis for the logical test. Select the calendar date cell and log the row reference. Type greater than or equal to. Then select the first task start date. And this time log the column reference. Use the argument separator. Select the same calendar date again. And log the row reference. Type less than or equal to. Then select the first task end date. And log the column reference. Close parenthesis. Use the argument separator. and for value if true, open double quotes. Type Y. Then close the double quotes. Use one more argument separator, and for value if false, open double quotes, and close the double quotes to return a blank value. Finally, close the parenthesis and press enter. You'll see letter Y appearing for the days when the task is active. Use the autofill handle to copy the formula across the calendar and choose fill without formatting. Then drag it downward for all tasks. Again, choose fill without formatting to keep the existing formatting intact. Now, to convert this into a visual Gantt chart, select the entire status range, go to Conditional Formatting, highlight Cell Rules, choose text that contains, and type Y. Under Formatting, choose Customized Format. Apply a purple font color. And under Fill option, apply matching fill color. Then confirm the formatting. The Gantt bars now appear clearly. If the duration of the last task is changed from 4 days to 5 days, you'll notice the task end date automatically updates to 1st February 2026. At the same time, the total project duration increases to 42 days. The overall project end date shifts to 1st February 2026, and the Gantt chart extends seamlessly to reflect the change, making the entire setup fully dynamic and effortless to manage. Just keep in mind, Excel counts days forward, so a duration of 2 days means 2 full days after the start date. If you want the task to finish within exactly 2 calendar days, including the start date, you would subtract 1 from the formula. And that is it. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.